Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use ChatGPT in iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, click on App Store. Now first of all, download, install app ChatGPT. So after install ChatGPT, click on go back to home screen and go to app library. Now here search ChatGPT. You will see ChatGPT is here, so click on ChatGPT. So if you want to use, so click on this mic icon. So click on mic icon. So after the procedure, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use ChatGPT in iPhone 17 Air Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.